SpeakPal is an AI-powered language learning tool that helps users practice speaking and improve fluency through interactive conversations. SpeakPal is an AI language tutor that builds conversational confidence across 30-plus languages through realistic voice chats and structured scenario roleplays. While its real-time grammar corrections and pronunciation feedback offer a budget-friendly alternative to human tutors, conversations can feel repetitive over time, and it lacks the deep, adaptive tracking needed for advanced fluency. SpeakPal AI offers a free basic plan alongside the popular premium plan at $9.99 per month for unlimited access. For group learning, the family plan completes the lineup at $19.99 per month, supporting up to 5 accounts with shared progress tracking. Reddit users say the AI language tutor is a great learning tool that helps build English confidence through personalized lessons. It makes users feel consistent progress after each session. Overall, it's best for learners wanting interactive, personalized language practice. Overall, it's a helpful and engaging language tutor, but it may not fully replace real human practice for advanced learning. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.